How to add GIF as wallpaper on Opera GX. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add wallpaper on your Opera GX. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. The very first step that you can do is you must need to use custom GIFs as a wallpaper on this browser. So it's important that there are saved GPGs. You can download the custom wallpapers on the internet, or you can also download from Opera as well. Using wallpapers is a way to extend the browser functionality and improve the user experience. So how do you use the custom GIFs as a wallpaper is pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps right here. First of all, launch your Opera GX browser, and after that click on the settings gear icon at the bottom of the left pane, which you see right here. And after you do that, you can use the hotkeys Alt plus P, and now you can simply go on the center pane under the GX menu, click on the use custom wallpaper option, and now select the wallpaper from the list displayed. Now optionally you can click on the option for the get more wallpapers. This takes to Opera repertoire where you can download different sets of wallpaper as well. So now on the list Opera wallpapers, click on any you are interested on. Now tap on add to Opera button. Now return to your ready to house wallpapers, which is on the set 4. Select the newly wallpaper. Now you are done. You should now use the hotkeys Alt plus home to view the new wallpapers on Opera GX home screen. And that's all the steps that you need to follow for doing this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.